everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of pomegranates and their incredible health benefits and remedies. Pomegranates are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Let's explore some of the key benefits and remedies associated with this superfood. First up, pomegranates are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which can help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This makes them great for boosting your overall immunity and protecting against chronic diseases. Next, pomegranates are known for their heart-healthy properties. They can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood flow, which are all crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Did you know that pomegranates are also great for your skin? Thanks to their high vitamin C content, they can promote collagen production, resulting in firmer, more youthful-looking skin. You can even use pomegranate extract or oil topically for added benefits. Now let's talk about some easy remedies you can make using pomegranates at home. For a refreshing face mask, simply mix fresh pomegranate juice with a bit of honey and apply it to your skin. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off for a glowing complexion. Looking for a natural energy boost? Try blending pomegranate seeds with banana, spinach, and almond milk for a delicious and nutritious smoothie that will keep you energized throughout the day. So there you have it, folks. Pomegranates are not only a tasty addition to your diet, but also a powerhouse of health benefits and remedies. Incorporate them into your routine and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.